Hello everyone, welcome back our English language and literature channel. Today we are going to learn some essential kitchen vocabulary that may help you to explain yourself more confidently in the kitchen. Our first word is boil. Boiling means to heat a liquid until it reaches the temperature where it bubbles and turns to vapor. For example, boil the pasta for 8 minutes for al dente. Our second word is pour. This word means to transfer a liquid from one container to another. For example, he pours water into the glass until it is full. Our third word is slice. It means to cut something into thin, flat pieces. For example, slice the bread before serving it with soup. Our fourth word is bake. Baking means to cook food by surrounding it with dry heat, usually in an oven. For example, bake the cookies at 180 degrees for 12 minutes. Our fifth word is grill. It means to cook food using direct heat, either on a grill or in an oven. For example, grill the chicken until the skin is crispy. Our sixth word is fry. This word means to cook food in a hot oil or a fat. For example, fry the potatoes until they're crispy and golden. Our seventh word is peel. It means to remove the outer layer of a fruit or vegetable. For example, peel the potatoes before boiling them. Our eighth word is simmer. Simmering means to cook something gently just below the boiling point. For example, let the sauce simmer for 20 minutes. Our ninth and final word is mix. Mixing means to combine ingredients together by stirring or blending. For example, mix the flour and sugar together before adding the eggs. Now you know 9 essential kitchen words that will help you in the kitchen. Try them out next time you cook. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!